Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, where we dive into strategies that help you trade smarter, not harder. All right. In this video, we are just going to be breaking down the hybrid trading strategy. Okay, it's a powerful combination of technical and fundamental analysis. Okay, now if you have been struggling to find consistency in your trades, then this approach might just be the missing piece. Okay, now there is a reason why it is called the hybrid trading strategy. Stay tuned as we look into this effective trading method. Okay, now what makes a hybrid trading strategy so effective? It's simple. Okay, this method leverages the strengths of both technical and fundamental analysis to adapt to different market conditions. All right, whether you are tracking economic news or spotting trends on your charts, this strategy ensures you are never trading blind. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to integrate these two approaches for smarter, more informed decisions. Now, let us just quickly start with the basics. All right. A hybrid trading strategy combines technical analysis, which focuses on chart patterns and price movements. Now, when we are talking about chart patterns, we are, of course, technical analysis, you have to know how to make use of your trend lines. You have to know how to identify an uptrend, when the price is making higher highs and higher lows, identifying a consolidation market when price is going sideways, like in this scenario. All right, you have to know how to identify a downtrend, of course, when price is making lower highs and lower lows. And of course, you have to know how to make use of chart patterns, for example, like the double top and double bottom, like what we can see here. We have a double top pattern around here, and you can see that right after the double top pattern, we had a decline to the downside. Okay, and we have a variety of chart patterns. All right, you can see we have a double bottom pattern around here, and right after the double bottom pattern happened, you can see that we had a reversal to the upside. So all these are what we call technical analysis. We have chart patterns, we have candlestick patterns, and the rest of them. All right, now the fundamental idea of the hybrid trading strategy is to use fundamentals to understand the why behind market movements and technicals to pinpoint the when and where for your trades. All right. Now, a hybrid trading strategy combines technical analysis with fundamental analysis, of course. Technical analysis focuses on chart patterns and price movements, while fundamental analysis looks at economic factors like interest rates, GDP, and employment data. All right. For example, if a central bank announces a rate hike, the currency might strengthen, right? But with technical analysis, you can determine the best price levels to enter or exit a trade. Now, here's how to put this strategy into action step by step. Okay, you have to start with fundamental analysis, right? Begin by checking the economic calendar for major events like interest rate decisions, unemployment reports, or geopolitical news. These fundamentals set the stage for potential market volatility. Now, secondly, you need to confirm with technical analysis. After identifying a potential market mover, you switch to your charts. Okay, you can use tools like moving averages, trend lines, Fibonacci retracement to identify support and resistance levels. Basically, you can use any technical indicator of your choice. You can even use a couple of them, right? For example, just like I had already drawn some trend lines on my chart, you can decide to use trend lines in addition to moving averages. You can also add any other indicator of your choice just for additional confirmation. All right, so you look for price action that aligns with the fundamental outlook. Okay, and then thirdly, you need to set clear entry and exit points. Okay, for a hybrid strategy, precision is key. Use candlestick patterns or breakouts to confirm your entry. All right. For example, we can see that. Okay, let's just see. We can see that initially we were having a buy trend around here, right? We're having a buy trend around here, and then at some point, both the moving average and the trend line gave us a hint that a bearish trend is starting, because we can see that we had a breakout to the downside, and after the breakout we even had a retest. You can see we had a retest, and then right after the retest you can see that the price continued downwards, so we literally had a bearish breakout. Okay, so you need to use your chart patterns, candlestick patterns, your trend lines, your indicators, and all of that to confirm your entries. Okay, so after this breakout I would have considered entering a sell trade. All right, and then apply your stop loss at key levels. For example, for a sell, you can apply it above the nearest swing high. Okay, and then just aim for solid risk to reward ratios, minimum of 1 to 2 in my opinion. Right, now the beauty of a hybrid trading strategy is its versatility. Okay, after you have already set your clear entry and exit points. For your exit points, of course, you might just want to ride the trend till the end, or you can just use nearest support levels to exit your sell, or if you're in a buy trade, you can use resistant levels to exit your buy. Okay, now you also need to monitor and to adapt. Markets are dynamic. Okay, so keep an eye on both fundamental and technical updates. Right, for instance, if a news event changes the market narrative, you might want to reassess your strategy and make necessary adjustments. Okay, so that is the reason why it's always good to pay attention to both the fundamentals and the technicals. Okay, it's very, very important. Now, a hybrid strategy is versatile. Okay, it keeps you grounded by understanding the bigger picture, while also providing the precision needed for short-term moves. All right, so by using both approaches, you are not limited to just one perspective. Okay, so you get the point. You're trading with a well-rounded edge, and it's very important. Okay, it's very important. So there you have it. It's a simple guide. This video is a simple guide to the hybrid trading strategy. Okay, if you are ready to take your trading to the next level, then you might want to give this method a try. Okay, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more forex trading insights. Okay, let me know in the comments what strategies you use or what topics you'd like me to cover next. Okay, in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.